Okay, ayan si Mariam, nahihiya. Nahihiya talaga siya, oh. Ayan. Don't worry, video ito, video. Hindi siya picture. Assalamu warahmatullah. Ayan, ayan ang ating pinakagwapong alumni. Ayan yung nga siya. Ayan, ayan.
Is also an old man. You are called Shaykh Abirun.
Nakikinig silang mabuti.
You are an old man.
Mga brother natin, nahihiya.
Okay, I said that because my students used to call me Baba.
Don't worry, this is a
And you
video.
ask them sometimes and call me Sir. But these are the same thing. Okay. So, we would like to ensure that you have enough time to hear, enough time to listen.